Good morning, everyone. This is just to give you an update on the fundamental and the technical analysis for the upcoming week or for the current week. Starting from the chart, guys, if you look into the weekly chart, you can see that the prices started to support at 1805 or 1804, and that is the area where we have a support, very strong support level at this area. The next support level expected to be at this area, it's expected to be 1786.54, and the next support level expected to be at 1729.59. However, these two support areas will not be achievable if the economy indicators were going in the worst direction when it comes to the US indicators. So if we go down now to the daily time frame, so we can see that there is two blue candles and we are expecting to see a breakout for this trend line here. And when you come down to the 4-hour time frame, you can see clearly that the price has broken this area. If I come from this resistance level to this resistance level, you can see that the price has broken this trend line and it's continuing to go up. We were expecting the gold to go more down because the Federal Reserve Bank did not start the cutting rate, and that is what we are anticipating. But however, you always need to think that the market will anticipate based on the economy indicator results. So now we started to see economy indicators going negative. That is why the market is anticipating that the next action for the Federal Reserve Bank is either to hold rate or to cut rate. Even though if there was raise for the rate and we are still seeing negative data from the economy indicators, that means this is good even though if they raise rate, because we are anticipating that in some point they're gonna go to stop and they're gonna go to think about cutting rate later on. We'll come to the fundamental data later on. Technically, we are breaking and we are continuing on the 4-hour time frame. However, we have also here a confirmation button, double bottom in this area, and we are going up. So we have already broken this area and we have already tested that area today. So we are broken this candle and we are retesting here. And again, I just want to see clarity on this trend line and the price is moving up significantly. We will be having fundamentally today the ISM manufacturing PMI, and if we see negative data, the gold will go up more. When it comes to the economy indicator and why the price has started to move now, you can see that the data around the US area is started to worsen, and we have seen also the other indicators start to show weaknesses, and this is what we want. For today's data, we have a data coming from China, and all those data, they are better than expected from China, and all of them, they are highly impacted. So why China and what is the relation with the gold? So Australia is producing the 40% of the world production for gold. China and Australia, they have trade agreements, and Australia is importing from China, and China is importing from Australia minerals. So those two economies, they are attached to each other, and both of them, they are playing against the US dollar. So if you see that China's data today, it's all green, better than expected, and that is what raised the gold as well. Today we have so many indicators in the Eurozone and in the sterling pound zone and in the US zone. So we need to monitor that. We need to monitor the US data, especially the more negative data we have from the US, the more these will push the gold up. So that is the update fundamentally and technically today, and hope that this will help you for your trade, and speak to you in the next analysis video.